Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HH Beauty Garden channel. If you love growing roses as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep sharing these beautiful gardening secrets together. Today, I'm going to reveal a truly magical secret: how to grow a stunning purple rose from just one small branch using something you probably already have in your kitchen, a tomato. This isn't just a tutorial, it's about watching new life unfold. So let's begin our journey. Step 1. Preparing your rose branch. Take a healthy purple rose branch about 15 centimeters long. Gently remove all withered leaves and petals. Think of this as the branch letting go of the past to begin a new life. Step 2. The Garlic Guardian. Take 1 garlic clove. Garlic isn't only a kitchen spice, it's a natural protector. It contains allicin, which helps prevent rotting and disease. Rub the cut end of the branch with the garlic, giving it a protective shield. Step 3. The Tomato's Magic Potion. Slice a ripe red tomato into pieces and place them in a cup. Tomatoes are rich in nutrients and natural enzymes. They work like a booster, stimulating root growth. Step 4. The Lemon and Cola Elixir. Squeeze half a lemon into the cup. The lemon's mild acid softens the tissue, helping new roots emerge. Now add 100 milliliters of Coca-Cola. It may sound surprising, but the sugars create a feast for the rose cutting. Stir gently, then soak the branch in this mixture for exactly 5 minutes. Step 5. Preparing the soil. While the branch is soaking, prepare clean, filtered sand. Sand drains quickly, preventing waterlogging, yet keeps enough moisture. Fill a clear plastic cup with the sand. Step 6. Planting the branch. After 5 minutes, remove the rose branch. Pour the red tomato lemon mixture over the sand to moisten it. Insert the stem halfway into the center. The top will soon sprout fresh green shoots. Step 7. Creating a miniature greenhouse. Cover the cup with a clear plastic bag. Seal it with tape at the bottom. This traps heat and moisture, creating the perfect greenhouse effect. Keep it in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. Step 8. The moment of truth. After 5 days, you'll notice moisture condensing inside the bag. This is the sign of new life. Remove the bag gently and you'll see tiny green shoots, and most importantly, white roots spreading from the base. This method works not only for purple roses, but also for old Sapa roses, French climbing roses, and many more. When the roots are strong, you can replant into a new pot. Coconut fiber works beautifully. It keeps the soil breathable, retains moisture, and helps the rose continue to thrive. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends. And I look forward to seeing you again in our next gardening adventure.